Good morning, students of class 9. Previous class exercise 4.3, question number 8 we have done, 6 and 7 we have not done. Today we will do question number 6. So before doing question number 6, here the word is given, that is work done. Work done, that things you will study in physics. What is the meaning of work done? If in any object, if we will apply any force to it and the object will move, then we can say work has done. So now we can start the sum. So the question is here, it is given, if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body. That means work done is proportional to the distance travelled by the body if we will apply a constant force. Express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking constant force as 5 units. That means force you have to take 5 units. Also read from the graph that work done when the distance travelled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. So this second part we will do later. First we will do the graphical representation. So how we will write here? Let work done by the constant force be y unit. So work done, what we have taken? Y unit. And the distance travelled by the body be x unit. So work done we have taken y units and distance we have taken x unit. And constant force is already given in your question, that is 5 units. Now we know the formula. This formula you will do in physics. So we know work done equal to force into displacement. Displacement means what? The object, how much distance it will cover, that is displacement. So the formula you have to remind for doing this sum, work done equal to force into displacement. So work done we have taken as y, force is given 5 and displacement means x, distance. So the equation is coming y equal to 5x. Now this equation we have to plot in graph. So for this equation, what we will make? We will make the column, minimum 2 values we will put. So x and y. First x equal to 0. So y equal to 5 into 0 means 0. Now x equal to 1. So y equal to 5 into 1 means 5. So these two values we have got. Now we will represent in graph paper. This one. So x-axis and y-axis we have drawn. All the graphs, whatever I am doing in video classes, all the graphs you have to do in graph paper and you have to attach in your classwork copy. And must mention the scale in every graph paper. So x-axis and y-axis we have drawn. Now 0, 0 means this point, origin, and then 1, 5. So first we are going 1 on the x-axis and then corresponding to 5. So 1, 5 is coming here. So this and this point we have got. After that we have to draw the line with joining this point. And what is the equation of this line? Y equal to 5x we have done. So this is the part, first part we have represent in graph. Now the second part in your question it is given. Read from the graph the work done when distance travelled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. So distance what we have taken in the question? Distance we have taken x unit. So in the second part what we have to do? When x equal to 2 units, distance travels when 2 units, on that time you have to find the work done. That means y equal to question mark. Question I have written, when x equal to 2 units, y equal to question mark. So y equal to 5x, that equation we know. Just put the value of x. So it's coming 10 units. That means when x equal to 2, y equal to 10 units. That we will plot in graph paper. When x equal to 2, y equal to 10. So corresponding to 2 we have gone in 10. So it's coming 2, 10. That point we have to plot. And the next number Roman 2 is what? When x equal to 0, when distance travels 0, that means when x equal to 0, y equal to question mark. On similar way we have to find, putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0 units is coming. So that means 0, 0. 0, 0 means origin, already we have done in graph, so that separately you have to not do. Only 2, 10 you have to do. So this is the total sum, that total graphical representation for this sum. Now we are going in question number 7, that is very easy. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards Prime Minister Relief Fund to help earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies the data. You may take their contribution as rupees X and rupees Y. Draw the graph of the same. That means here the total contribution of Yamini and Fatima is 100. So let Yamini contributed X and Fatima contributed rupees Y. So here only hints I have written. You will also write the hints in your classwork copy, and in your home practice copy you will do the full sum. So the equation will come what? X plus Y equal to 100 total rupees. Yamini contributed X and Fatima contributed rupees Y. So total rupees is 100. That means the linear equation will come X plus Y equal to 100. Now here, how you have to take the scale when you are plotting in the graph, how you will do? First you have to do the column X and Y. Here first X equal to 0 I have taken. So it will come Y equal to 100. And then we have taken Y equal to 0, then X equal to 100. In this way I have taken the numbers such that it will be easy to plot in graph paper. Now see that large numbers are there, 100. That means up to 100 you have to plot in X axis and Y axis. So it will be easy if you will take 10 small square equal to 10 unit. So scale how you have to take in X and Y axis, 10 small square equal to 10 unit, not 1 unit. 10 unit or 20 units you can take. Then easily you can plot up to 100 in X axis and Y axis. Okay.